Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Home Maintenance 101, where we try to bring helpful tips for you to take care of your home so that your home takes care of you. So today, not only are we talking about identifying problems, but I'm going to show you a tool that'll help you identify those problems. So we're talking about potential electrical issues, especially as it pertains to older homes. To identify these things with outlets in particular, there's a tester that you can get from any DIY center. Home Depot in this case has a product that I found called from Power Gear. It's a receptacle tester. It's UL listed. And the way you use this product is you put it inside the outlet, and there's indicator lights on the back side that tell you what kind of potential issue you have, or if you have no issues whatsoever. So once you see the light pattern, if you can look to the back of the package, it'll tell you what that light pattern means. So why is this important? It's potential that you have a outlet that has three prongs, which on the surface says that's a grounded outlet, but it may not truly be grounded, so it may cause a potential shock. Things like this could potentially be fire hazards as well. So what we want to do is help you avoid any potential issues. So this helps you identify it. Second step, call a professional electrician and have them take a look at these outlets and have them tell you what they can do to help resolve these issues. And while they're there, it would probably be a good idea have them to take your electrical panel off so that they can check your wiring and make sure that you don't have a situation where you may have undersized wires going to the wrong size breaker, which could potentially be a fire issue as well. I hope this was helpful for you. If you need a referral to an electrician, please reach out to me, 419-367-2667, and I'll help you find somebody that can help take care of your home. You guys have a great weekend.